Hi, this video is about how to make this bevel edge mirror surface on wall using ceiling function in AiHouse. Let's jump into the ceiling module now. Here I'm going to draw a rectangle and extrude 100. Then go back to 3D. Next, tilt the view so that you can see the side surface and click on it. Enter the bevel amount under specification, say -30 and enter. Continue on the other 3 surfaces. Okay. Next, go back to the design interface, select the region, right click and pave, continuous pave. Enter 60 for the pave distance to include the bevel edges. To make mirror surface, you can just drag a mirror map onto the surface. Finish mapping one region first, then only right click, pave, continuous pave. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.